Let's play hide and seek. Okay, let's all play hide and seek.
Hey, that will be fun.
Chinu, we will go and hide. You must try and find us, okay? Okay, I will find you all.
Chinu, close your eyes and count from 1 to 5. We will go and hide.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Stop, Chinu. What are you saying?
Buzz, Chinu is counting from 1 to 5.
Oh, Futta! Buzz does not know anything. He can only buzz. Chinu, don't make fun of Buzz. He will learn. Buzz, I will tell you the numbers from 1 to 5. You must listen carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Oh, so you have 5 fingers in one hand.
That's right, Buzz. Can you count from 1 to 5 now?
But I don't have 5 fingers. But I will try. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I did it. Hey, Futa, what is this?
These are numbers. Buzz, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Do you know how to write the numbers?
We have a friend. Her name is Pencil. Let me go and call her. She will help us write the numbers.
I'm happy. I love to write. I'm happy. Oh, you look so bright. Good morning, everybody. Shall we write the numbers now? Okay, let us write 1 now. Draw a straight line. 1. That's so easy. Now, friends, you can try this with me. A straight line. 1. Very good. Now let us write 2. Half a circle like this. Then a sleeping line. 2. Now, friends, let's write 2. Draw half a circle like this, then a sleeping line. 2. Very good. Now let us write 3. Half a circle like this, then another half a circle. 3. Let us write 3 now. Half a circle like this, then another half a circle. 3. Very good. Let us write 4 now. A straight line, then a sleeping line, a straight line again, like this. 4. Friends, will you write 4 with me now? A straight line, then a sleeping line, a straight line again, like this. 4. Okay, now let us write 5. A straight line, then half a circle, a sleeping line, like this. 5.
Okay, wait. Let me write 5. You can also write with me. A straight line, then half a circle, a sleeping line, like this. 5. Okay, Futa. Now I can read what is written on you. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Yes, Buzz, these are numbers. Let us play a new game today. We will collect things. First, we will collect one thing. Okay, let us start.
See, I have one flower. There is lots of honey inside.
I have 1 marble. I have 1 leaf. Oh, Raja has 1 bone. What do you have, Futta?
I have 1 book. Let us now bring 1 more of the same thing. See, I have 2 books now.
I have 2 marbles. I have 2 leaves. Buzz, you have 2 flowers. They are lovely.
Look, Raja has 2 bones. Raja, don't eat them. Just keep them here.
Now we will go and bring 5 of these things and then count them. Okay? These are my marbles. Let me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I have 5 marbles.
Let me count my books now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I have 5 books.
See, these are my leaves. Let me count my leaves now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I have 5 green leaves.
Okay, let me count my flowers now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh, I have 5 lovely flowers.
Oh, Raja, let me help you. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Raja, very good. You have 5 bones.
Raja, Raja, don't eat the bones. See, I am not eating the honey from the flowers.
Now we will match the numbers. Look, one marble, one book, and one flower.
I also want to match the numbers, Futa. 2 bones, 2 leaves, 2 marbles.
That's right, Buzz. 3 books, 3 leaves, 3 flowers. 4 bones, 4 marbles, 4 leaves.
5 flowers, 5 leaves, 5 books.
Oh, that was fun. Let us all sit in a circle. I will sing a song for you.
Oh, Meenu, you are so sweet.
1 white cow, 2 dogs sing bow bow, 3 naughty rats, 4 chasing cats, 5 buzzing bees.
Chinu, 5 buzzing bees. What will you do? Buzz.
I will chase them away like this. Stop that. Come here, both of you.
Meenu, can I also say a poem?
You want to say a poem? You can only buzz. Stop that, Chinu. Yes, Buzz, you can. Let us all listen to Buzz now.
1 donkey, 2 monkeys, 3 mats, 4 bats, 5. Oh, lovely flowers. I am going. I want honey.
Oh, good. Buzz has gone. Futa, look here. 1 head, 1 nose, 2 eyes, and 2 ears. Yes, Chinu. 1 head, 1 nose. We have 2 eyes, 2 ears. We have 2 legs and 2 hands also. 2 hands and 2 legs.
But Raja has 4 legs. Look at this stool. It has 3 legs.
See, we have 5 fingers in 1 hand.
I am back. I ate lots of sweet honey. Look, Meenu, I also have 1 head and 2 eyes.
Right, Buzz. We will write the numbers now.
What is that, Meenu?
It is a stick, Buzz. We will write with it on the ground, like this.
Okay, I will tell you the number. I say 1 bird. Meenu, can you write 1?
Two butterflies.
3 balls. 4 chicks.
5 flowers.
'Friends, can you also count from 1 to 5?
You can look at things and write down the number also.
Will you repeat after me? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Now we will play hide and seek. You all go and hide. I will find you. I know how to count now. Okay, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Friends, Buzz needs help. Will you help him? But you have to answer loudly. Do you have one head? Yes. Can you nod your head? Can you show one with your finger? How many eyes do you have? Two. How many ears do you have? Two. How many legs do you have? Two. Can you jump with your two legs? Can you show two with your fingers? Can you show three with your fingers? How many legs does a dog have? Four. Can you show four with your fingers? How many fingers do you have in one hand? Five. Can you show five with your fingers? Shall we match the following now? 1. 2. 1 cow. 2 2 bats. 3 3 butterflies. 4 4 books. 5 5 balls. 1 1 cow. 2 2 bats. 3 3 butterflies. 4 4 books. 5